Welcome! Today we'll be making goat milk Castile soap. Castile soap, or soap made from just water, lye, and olive oil, is known for its gentleness on the skin. That, combined with the qualities of goat milk, make it very gentle, moisturizing, and very hardy bar of soap. It also produces a very milky lather. And it's simple to make. First, you need your lye. Next, we need olive oil. Last, we need our goat's milk. You'll want to freeze your goat's milk in cubes. Measure 90 ounces of olive oil. There, 90. Now the lye. Lye is basically sodium hydroxide, a very strong base, so you'll need protective eyewear. And of course, long sleeves. Measure 11.5 ounces of lye. Now let's make soap. Grab a plastic spatula and slowly add your lye. The reaction the lye has with the goat's milk is an exothermic reaction, meaning it produces heat. That's why the goat's milk was frozen first. Had I used room temperature goat's milk and added the lye, this solution would quickly turn yellow and then orange because the milk would have scorched. Once the lye is dissolved into the goat's milk, we can add the milk and the lye solution to the olive oil, making sure to scrape every last drop of that lye solution into that oil. Remember to still use your protective eyewear during this step. The milk and lye solution will sink to the bottom. Now we use an immersion blender to blend the two layers together. We want to reach a consistency called trace, just enough to see the scraping movements left on top of the batter. As you blend, you'll smell a light ammonia smell. That's fine. Just make sure your room is well ventilated. Have I reached trace? Nope. Have I reached trace yet? Nope. Have I reached trace now? Yes. Time to pour it into our molds. Pour it in slowly, not to leave any air pockets. The extra soap batter goes into these trial-sized rectangular bars. Remember to scrape every last drop. Store these bars in a cool place for 24 hours, keeping them out of reach of children and pets. It's the next day, and it's time to remove the soap from the molds and let them cure. Castile soap needs to cure for about 3 months. This will help it become a very hardy bar. As it comes out of the mold, it's still very soft and workable. So you'll want to be very gentle and not squeeze too hard. This flower has a weird imperfection on it, so I'll set it aside. You'll see why later. Here are those rectangular bars. See, all that scraping was worth it. I still don't know what that imperfection was, but that's okay. We're gonna have a little experiment. I want to show you the difference in the hardness of the bar. In my left hand is that new bar of soap, and in my right hand is a cured bar of soap. First, the cured bar. Now, the new bar. This is how soft these bars are when they first come out of the mold. This is why we leave them out for months. I leave my bars of soap in a cold storage area on these laundry racks. And yes, I did keep that smash bar of soap.